How to use an SIP calculator to plan your future investment value. Planning your financial future can feel overwhelming, but today we will show you how an SIP calculator can help you estimate the future value of your SIP investments. What is an SIP calculator? An SIP calculator is an online tool provided by financial institutions or asset management companies. It helps you estimate how much your SIP investments might grow over time based on a few key factors like your investment amount, tenure, and expected rate of return. These calculators use mathematical algorithms to give you an estimated future value of your SIP investment. It is an easy way to visualize the growth of your investments over time. Key parameters to input into the SIP calculator. To use an SIP calculator, you will need to input three main parameters. First, investment amount. Decide how much you want to invest regularly. This could be a fixed daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly contribution. Second, tenure or duration. Set how long you want to invest. The longer the investment duration, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Third, expected rate of return. Finally, estimate the annual return on your investment. This is typically based on historical performance or market expectations. It is important to note that this is just an estimate and the actual returns can vary. Enter the data and calculate. Once you have all these details, simply enter them into the SIP calculator. For example, if you're planning to invest Rs 5,000 every month for the next 10 years with an expected return rate of 10% per year, the calculator will do the math and give you an estimated future value. As you can see, this tool gives you an estimated future value based on your inputs. It's a great way to visualize how your SIP can grow over time. Plan your investment strategy. Using the SIP calculator, you can experiment with different amounts, time horizons, and expected returns to find the best strategy for you. For instance, if you increase your monthly contribution or extend your investment duration, you will notice the future value grows significantly. This shows the power of consistent investing and compounding. So, now you know how to use an SIP calculator to plan the future value of your SIP investments. It is a simple and effective tool to help you stay on track with your financial goals. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.